To change in the dark routine day schedule in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap in the dark routine, tap time period. Under repeat section, select the days you like this routine to be automatically on. As the example, we will select Monday to Friday. And then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will automatically enable in the dark routine during the specified time from Monday to Friday. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.